Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I just want to let you guys know of a brand new Kodi update for Kodi 21 Omega for the Alpha 3 release. Now, Kodi does have an official press release here that was released on September 9th of 2023, so only 3 days ago as of this recording. Guys, I will leave a link to this and everything else I mentioned in this video in the video description below. Before diving back into my article here, I do want to call out that Kodi is 100% legal to install and is available on the Google Play Store. You'll see here it has over 50 million downloads from Google Play, and for that reason, we know that this application is verified and is legal to install and use on our devices. Guys, I also am just simply reporting the news in this video, so there is nothing else as I don't show you how to install, as you can simply go to the Kodi download page for installation details. But back to the Kodi 21 Omega Alpha 3 release. So guys, as I just said, this was released on September 9th by the Kodi developers, and it is important to note that this is the Alpha 3 version of Kodi 21 Omega. So Kodi 21 Omega is not officially released or is not the stable release of Kodi. Kodi 20.2 Nexus is still the stable release as of this video recording. So Alpha 3, so that means there were 2 previous Alpha versions. And guys, in this article, I have laid out every single detail from all 3 Alpha releases. So starting at Alpha 1, Alpha 2, and now Alpha 3. So you'll see here it has all sorts of different updates. The Kodi developers even left a message for everyone. So it says, time for the next milestone release for Kodi 21 Omega. Slightly delayed this time around compared to what we were striving for. However, we were happy to announce the arrival of Alpha 3. And then they do go on to say that this is a major release, so as you'd expect, it comes with many new features. As such, please be aware that installing this will most likely break things, and we'd really like your help at that point to identify the problems and get them fixed. Please raise GitHub issues with full debug logs to help us resolve any issues you wonderful testers come across. So guys, the developers, as always, are looking for feedback, looking for potential bugs when they come out with these new releases. So kind of diving into the details of this Alpha 3 release. So you'll see there's a bunch of different things. Now, Estuary is the default skin of Kodi. So they talk about how they added a change to the Estuary skin. Some other things here with games, file system. I won't get into the nitty-gritty back-end stuff here, but it looks like some general updates here with the menu, TV shows, movie, dialogues, some improvements and optimizations with the database usage, and just some various other things here, guys. Some Android updates, Linux, Mac OS, Windows PC, the PVR client, that's a big one. Some Python, subtitles is important, video. And then it just goes on here. I have the previous 2 Alpha releases if you are curious. And then here is some installation information on the Kodi download page. But that's it, guys. That is a very quick video just wanting to let you know about this brand new Kodi 21 Omega Alpha 3 release. Again, here is the official press release from the Kodi developers, and I will be leaving a link to this in the description below. So again, guys, this is Bodie. I appreciate you watching this quick video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. I hope this quick news update helped you guys out in some way. And guys, I look forward to creating more content like this in the near future, and I hope you all have a great day.